Hello, aspirant. So today we are having Kiran with us. He scored AIR 53 in the UPSC 2025 examination.
Yes, first of all, good evening, sir. Thank you so much for having this podcast with you.
Like in today's context, when the AI is here, maximum content is available online on Telegram and the various web platform. In today's time, mentorship play a very important role to shape the journey of the aspirant. How does you feel the Dr. Rajinder Maan sir mentorship related to your mains preparation as well as your prelims preparation?
Yes, sir. Like AI has actually changed the dynamics of this preparation. Absolutely, there's no doubt. I think that is something you and I will very much agree. But there is something that it cannot replace, and that is mentorships.
Like,
And I must give due credit to Rajinder Maan sir. It's been absolutely like a family because I have prepared this exam from a very far off place, not even regionally very connected to him, but through that digital space, he's been that kind of mentor, almost like hand holding my preparation. So it's been very fruitful, sir. And to see that all his efforts actually translate into result, I think it's very grateful to it, sir. Especially prelims. Yes, as I said earlier, the breakdown of the PYQs as well as the way of looking at sectional tests in a way of understanding the static subjects. I think that is where his contribution is mainly I would like to give credit. And also with respect to mains, as highlighted earlier, the kind of interpolation he did with respect to the future potential questions. Again, that is also very beneficial.
thank you and
It's been my
congratulations.
pleasure. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir,
Thank
for
you.
giving this opportunity. Thank you
Thank you.
so much.